Hello, friends and Pyramid Masters. This is Pratima. I live in Minneapolis along with my husband Nagarjun and 7 years old kid Saharsh. So, I was introduced to meditation in the year 1998 when I was a teenager, that is 15 years old. Since then, meditation and spiritual wisdom have helped me in many aspects of life. Like as a teenager, I used to suffer from severe headaches, which made it difficult to focus on my studies. So, regular meditation practice healed my headaches and helped me to achieve academic success. So, later in my life, meditation also helped me to live in the present moment with full awareness, and that helped me manage my time effectively, which improved my work efficiency. With this perspective, with this wisdom, what I have got, my perspective of life has changed totally, and I started accepting everyone as they are, and I thoroughly enjoyed all the opportunities I came across. So, spiritual wisdom helped me understand people's personality and behavior, which led me to build a good relationships in my life. Coming to parenting, I enjoyed every bit of my parenting, from inviting a soul to become my child. I was able to communicate with my baby when he was in my womb, and I have built a wonderful and excellent bonding with my kid during my pregnancy. So, from the very moment my kid entered this world until now, I have a good attachment and an excellent bonding with him. This spiritual wisdom I received by reading spiritual books and interacting with fellow meditators. It really helped me in conscious parenting skills and become a good friend to my son rather than just being a mere parent. I always support my little one to explore every opportunity and every aspect of his life rather than imposing my views and beliefs on him. So living in present moment really helped me to view life from child's perspective, and which helped me to understand his needs and requirements. Me and my son thoroughly enjoyed each other's present. I connect him naturally, and I completely fulfill his needs and requirements, which makes me very happy mother. And as a mother, I feel so privileged when I know that my baby requirements are met, and for raising a healthy and happy kid. All this is possible by meditation and spiritual wisdom, and the knowledge what I have acquired, wisdom what I have acquired throughout my life. So this really helped me to give the best to my kid. So, dear viewers, I wish my conscious parenting experience inspires you all to practice meditation and become a conscious and spiritual parent. So, yes. Now, I'm really excited to inform you that I'll be sharing a viewer's question after this session. So be ready to shower your views onto it. So it will be, please respond in the YouTube chat. Now I would like to I want to take a privilege to introduce our wonderful guest and speaker, Ravi Shankarji, who is the founder of Infinity Education. He inherited legal profession from his ancestors and is a postgraduate in law, but opted to stop practicing the legal battles, and he inspired to develop special programs for parents called ISP, and further developed courses for pregnant and planning couples to free a child from any sort of hindrance for their growth. So Raviji has personally conducted more than 1,000 workshops on various aspects, from education to yoga, and from health and fitness to rural development and natural farming. The teachers whom Raviji has trained are now training the scientists of important research institutions such as like ISRO, DRDO, Aeronautical Research Center, BDL, Naval Search Center, and many more to empower them as a group. So his popularity and stature as never barrier for Sri Ravi Shankar Guruji to be like a child among children, young among the youth, and wise among the elders. His greatest gifts of all are Fun Club, ISP Art of Parenting, and for which he may be honored the highest honor of the country. So Sri Ravi Shankarji has taken up a new mission of building among rural about zero budget spiritual farming. Um, and now he found more than 40 rural and urban Matru Mandis, which is known as nursery schools in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. And he's now training thousands of farmers through his workshop on zero budget natural farming. So, dear viewers, let us utilize this opportunity to clarify many of our questions about conscious parenting from Raviji. So, please send your questions through your YouTube chat. And now the time has come to welcome the great personality, Raviji. Sir, please welcome.